Hello coders, welcome to Pandas tutorial. From this video I am going to start Pandas tutorial. I will try to cover each and everything that help you for data analytics and machine learning. We will start with level 0 so anyone can follow these tutorials. First we will create our own small dataset and perform analytics on it. Then we will download the dataset from well-known machine learning repositories like Kaggle and perform analytics on it. Don't you worry about anything, just follow the tutorials. Now, let me start with the introduction to Pandas. The name Pandas is derived from the term panel data. Now, what is Pandas? Pandas is widely used open source Python library which is built on top of NumPy. Pandas provides high performance, easy to use structures for the data analysis. We can perform operations like data cleaning, transforming and analyzing. Pandas calculates statistics and it answers questions about data. What we can do with Pandas? Read and write files in different formats like CSV, TSV, text, XML, JSON, zip, etc. But remember, mostly data are available in the CSV, comma separated values and TSV, tab separated values file format. With help of Pandas, we can check information and description about our data. We can filter the data. We can handle missing values and noise. We can do aggregation and summarization. We can merge and concatenate data sets. Now here you can see, can we do the same thing with Python? Yes, we can do this. But you can see on the left side, just for reading the CSV file and printing the data of this CSV file, we required almost 8 lines of code. The same thing we can do with 1 line in Pandas. And also, as I said, Pandas built on top of NumPy, so which is incredibly fast compared to Python. So we have to learn Pandas. Can we do the same thing with NumPy? Yes, we can do. But NumPy can handle only homogeneous data that you can see in this example. So I have created NumPy array with 2 integers and 1 float. Finally, all the data are converted into floating point numbers because NumPy can handle homogeneous data, but Pandas can handle heterogeneous data. So we have to learn Pandas. Next, let me start the Pandas. So Pandas uses 3 data structures to hold user data. First, series, data frame and panel. Now, what is series? Pandas series is 1D labeled array. Series can hold heterogeneous values like integer, float, string, etc. Please remember, series is nothing more than 1 column of Pandas data frame. So now here you can see the data is available in tabular format, table-like format, which is having 3 columns. So in the terminology of Pandas, we can consider these each and every columns as a Pandas series. So how many series are there? 3. Series 1, 2 and 3. 3 columns means 3 series. So here in this table format data, we have 3 series. So in the Pandas data frame, series is 1 column. Now Pandas data frame. So Pandas data frame is 2D data structure while series is 1D data structure. Right? So data frame holds a data into table-like format. Data frames consist of row, columns and data that you can see over here. Rows 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns. And it contains data. So please remember, Pandas data frame is 2D data structure while series is 1D data structure. So data frame holds a data into table-like format. Next, as I said, Pandas data frame is combination of Pandas series that you can see over here. So if we combine different Pandas series, we can create the data frame. So Pandas data frame is nothing more than combination of Pandas series. Now, third data structure, panel. So panel is 3D data structure, holds heterogeneous data. But in this tutorial, we will work on Pandas series and Pandas data frame. Now, from the next tutorial, I will start Pandas series and different ways to create the Pandas series. Thank you. Thank you for watching.